It began to weave its voice into the melody of the heartwood, no longer mimicking but harmonizing, creating a symphony that was richer and more beautiful than before. Slowly, like a sunrise, the music of the whispering woods returned, filling the air with a sense of renewal and peace. The trees swayed gently, their leaves rustling in the breeze as if dancing to the newfound harmony. The river sparkled and danced, its waters singing a joyful tune, reflecting the light of the rising sun. And from the depths of the forest, the creatures emerged, their voices joining in the symphony of sound, creating a chorus of life and unity. As the last rays of the setting sun painted the sky in hues of orange and purple, casting a magical glow over the forest, our four companions stood together, their hearts filled with a sense of accomplishment and wonder, bathed in the warm glow of the heartwood, a place where magic and nature intertwined. They had faced the mystery of the missing melody, and through perseverance and unity, through their unique talents and unwavering teamwork, they had overcome every challenge and restored harmony to the whispering woods, a place now brimming with life and music once more.
We did it. We really did it.
Totally awesome. This is beyond amazing.
Indeed, it was a privilege to witness such magic and be part of this journey.
Bart, his old eyes twinkling with pride and joy, placed a hand on each of their shoulders.
You have reminded us all of the power of listening and the importance of unity. The Whispering Woods will never forget your kindness and bravery.
And as the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, casting a serene glow over the forest, our four friends knew they would carry the magic of the Whispering Woods in their hearts forever, a memory etched in their souls.